If you want to sleep comfortably anywhere, these sleeping bags are a total game changer. Don't settle for less when rest is on the line. The Teton sleeping bag impressed me right from the first use with its generous size and cozy insulation. Designed to keep you warm in moderately cold weather, it features soft, durable fabric that feels gentle against the skin. Its full-length zipper allows easy ventilation, making it versatile for varying temperatures. What I really liked is how it balances warmth and breathability. No more waking up sweaty or freezing. Plus, it packs down relatively small for its warmth level, which is a bonus on any trip. Could it be a bit lighter for ultra-minimalist backpackers? Possibly, but for most campers, the trade-off is worth it. If you want a reliable, comfortable sleeping bag without breaking the bank, the Teton is a solid choice that will keep you cozy night after night. The Soul-Out sleeping bag caught my attention with its vibrant colors and kid-friendly design, but it also works great for adults looking for an affordable option. Its polyester shell repels light moisture, and the soft lining makes it surprisingly comfy. I appreciated how easy it was to roll up and carry, perfect for family camping or casual outdoor naps. It's suitable for mild weather so you won't feel suffocated but will still stay warm enough. One thing to keep in mind is that it's not meant for very cold conditions, so plan accordingly if you're expecting low temperatures. If you want a fun, lightweight sleeping bag that fits both kids and adults, Soul-Out delivers value and comfort in one neat package. At this price, the Tromi sleeping bag is a surprisingly practical option for casual campers or festival goers. It's lightweight, simple, and has enough insulation for cool nights, though it's best suited for mild weather. The material feels sturdy enough for multiple uses, and the zipper works smoothly without snagging, which is always a relief. It's not the warmest sleeping bag around, but it's easy to carry and store, which makes it ideal for occasional adventures. If you're chasing top-tier warmth or extra features, this might feel a bit basic, but for quick trips or budget-friendly options, it does the job well. So, if you need a no-frills sleeping bag that won't weigh you down or empty your wallet, the Tromi is worth considering. Buying in bulk with the Tudumro 16-pack sleeping bags is a smart move if you often host group camping trips or organize events. Each bag is designed with a lightweight synthetic fill that offers decent warmth for moderate climates. I found the fabric to be tough enough for repeated use, and the size fits a wide range of adults comfortably. Having 16 bags ready to go means you'll never scramble last minute for extra gear. The only catch is that these sleeping bags are pretty basic, no fancy features or extra padding, so they're best for casual users or short stays. If you need bulk sleeping bags that are affordable and reliable, Tudumro's pack covers a crowd without sacrificing too much on comfort. The Amazon Basics 3 Cool Weather Sleeping Bag strikes a nice balance between affordability and functionality. It's designed for cool, but not freezing, temperatures and features a soft polyester lining that feels cozy against the skin. Its compact design and lightweight fabric made packing straightforward, and the included stuff sack is a practical addition I appreciated. I liked how the zipper ran smoothly and the bag shape gave me enough room without excess bulk. While it's not suited for extreme cold, it's perfect for spring and fall camping or overnight stays where the temperature won't drop too low. If you're looking for a dependable, budget-friendly sleeping bag for mild weather adventures, this Amazon Basics model won't disappoint. The Junkin 12 Pieces Camping sleeping bag set is an excellent solution for group outings, scout troops, or emergency kits. Each bag is made with durable materials and offers reasonable insulation for 3-season use. I was impressed by the consistent quality across the set and how each bag packed down neatly, saving precious space in my gear storage. The colors are neutral and practical, and the bags feel sturdy enough to last through multiple trips. Some users might find the bags a bit heavier than ultralight alternatives, but for group camping, durability and affordability often matter more. If you're organizing a bigger adventure and need dependable sleeping bags that deliver solid comfort for multiple people, Junkin Set is a smart investment. The Windtour 3-Season sleeping bag surprised me with its lightweight feel and waterproof exterior, which adds great versatility for unpredictable weather. It's perfect for campers who want to stay dry and comfortable without lugging heavy gear. The insulation provides just enough warmth for spring, summer, and fall, and the compact design makes it easy to carry on hikes or bike trips. I really liked how the waterproof fabric gave me peace of mind during damp nights. It's not the warmest option for winter camping, and the zipper could be a bit smoother, but considering the price, it's a fantastic deal. If you want a practical, lightweight sleeping bag that can handle a little rain and keep you comfortable, the Windtour is definitely worth trying.